Let's not forget about the ringworm from Meowica American flag cat T-Rex dinosaur 4th of July. Independence Day fireworks shirt not showering regularly. I think he is pretty. He will get a cock ring too. She looks like that punk guy in every group who hear metal music and have. Meowica American flag cat T-Rex dinosaur 4th of July Independence Day fireworks shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I would say it's all downhill from here. But it looks like you started that run early. Yeah, I read the Meowica American flag cat T-Rex dinosaur 4th of July Independence Day fireworks shirt. Headline 4 or 5 times. I was so confused I kept reading it as my 40th birthday. But my brain knew that was wrong. Happy 50th. You look like someone slapped you across the face with sea bass. We like getting roasted because we always think the roast is about someone else. It ain't. Why is everyone gilding those stupid cliché Reddit comments? How is everyone getting Reddit awards in this comment section? Other products.